Cash App can be used for more than just a way to send money back and forth to people. I'm going to show you how you can use it for your everyday spending and kind of replace your bank account and credit or debit card. Obviously, first thing you need to do is sign up for Cash App. You can use the link in the description, get $5 for free if you want. Up here at the top, you're going to have a cash balance. This is basically just the money available in your app. You can send this, you can spend this, you can do whatever you want. To add more money to this, you're going to tap the Add Money button and send money from your bank. To withdraw this money to your bank, you're going to tap the Withdraw button. So this is your in-app balance and back and forth to your bank. The next key feature you need to understand for this is the Cash App card. If you don't have a card, you can get one. Just come to this screen and tap Get Card. Once you have a card, you can use it to spend this cash balance. Another huge feature for this card is that you can get these offers or discounts. And there's tons of different offers you can get, and they're always switching in and out. So you can get 15% off DoorDash, 10% off of Crocs, 5% 7-Eleven. We've got Uber, Lyft, McDonald's, all kinds of offers in here. So if you want one of these offers, you can just tap on it and then tap Add Offer. Now you see right below my card, it's gonna show this offer. So when I use my card, this offer will be automatically applied. Now with the card, they're gonna send you a physical card in the mail. You can use that just like any credit or debit card, or you can add this to your Apple Pay. Pretty much everybody uses Apple Pay for everyday usage at this point. So what you would do is scroll down to Manage Card. If you haven't already added this to your Apple Pay, you're going to tap Add to Apple Pay. And once you do that, you'll have a physical card and you'll be able to open up Apple Pay and use this card at any physical or online location. Remember, anytime you use the card, you can get a discount and it's going to take the money from your cash balance here. That's how to use Cash App for everyday use and some nice little features that'll help you out when you're doing so. If you want to learn any of the other features that you see in Cash App, check out the other videos on my channel where there's hundreds of Cash App tutorials. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.